Hey everyone, this is Justin with Forex Indicator Reviews. Today we're just going to go over some reviews, plus this is also the intro to the channel. Let's go ahead and move forward with the disclaimer. Forex is risky investment, just make sure you know what you're doing. Alright, let's move on. Alright, so on this channel we are going to be reviewing indicators to see which ones are the best. A little bit about me is I've been trading for 10 plus years, pretty much everything across the board, under the sun, stocks, options, Forex, commodities. This, as you can see, is MetaTrader 4. I like Forex the best because I can automate it. With technology these days, through MetaTrader 4, 5, and even moving up to TradeStation, which is now allowing you to do stocks and indices and ETFs and all types of stuff. So that is also, and we'll definitely be moving to that platform as well in the future. But right now we're going to be reviewing indicators on the MT4 and MT5 platforms. So real quick, we're gonna do, this is just an intro. Everybody knows what the MACD is. It's moving average convergence divergence, and that's what we're gonna review today. Real quick is, as you can see, there is another indicator down here at the bottom. It's called the ATR's average true range. I use this to help me with money management in my trades. What I do is I'll come down and look at depending on when I'm trading, I'll look at the previous candle or current candle near the end of the day or very beginning of the day, depending on when I'm trading. And like for instance, this one is 83.4 pips, so I'll just round it up to like 84 pips, and then I'll times that by 1.5. So for instance, I think that's like 120, somewhere around there. So like if I entered at the beginning of this trade right here, so if it went down to like 120 pips, which is somewhere around there, that's when I would close out my trades. Same thing is one ATR, so that was 84. I would take profit at least half, maybe a quarter off the board, or depending on how I feel the trade, I might even take 75 if I don't feel like it's going to go my way in the future. But that's all depends on your system. Alright, so real quick, we're just going to go through, and when I trade this, it crosses above. Depending on if it's the same day, near the end of the day, I'll enter, or if it's the next day. So in this case, I just did it the next day to make it easy. So on here, we entered a buy, and just to let you know, the dates, we went from the beginning of the year, January 2nd, which was the first day of the new year in 2018, all the way to December 30th, around there, or 31st of 2018. So we're going to test these within a year. If they are really good indicators, they at least beat the MACD or better. We'll move them into another video, and we'll go from there and testing them further. So this is the performance of the MACD. We entered here. It was a win there. You get a lot of these little fake outs with it as well. So we entered here, we lost there, entered here, we lost there as well, as you can see. And I already did the measurements with the ATR, so what I went over earlier with how I do my money management and closing of trades. So, and that's what this is based off of. Also, I only entered into buy trades if it was a cross above the zero, or it crossed above, both lines across above the zero line here. But if both lines were above and the gray was below and crossed above here, like here, then that would be a buy trade. Now when it crosses below, like for instance right here, that could be a sell trade, but I am more into continuation trades and trend trades. This would be more like a reversal trade. When it goes down, and some of those do come out, but you want to, most of the time you want to try to minimize your losses. So that's why I go with trend or continuation trades. As you can see here, 3 was a loss, then we got an actual sell right here, was a loss. A buy came across here. It was above. You gotta zoom in sometimes. And that was a loss there. Got our first sell win right here. That was a nice little run there. Got a sell right there that came out as a loss. Sell again, that was a loss. And then we got another win with the sell here. If we entered here, that wouldn't have broke our stop loss, and then we would have got all this. And if you had a trailing stop or you had some sort of other indicator that helped you get out of trades before it started going against your favor, but still would have been a win. Number 10 was a buy, and that was a loss. 11 was a buy, and as you can see on the first candle, kind of pulled back. So it still came out to be a win. It didn't trigger our stop loss or anything like that. 12 was a loss. 13 was a win. And then 14 the loss, as you can see there. Again, you can look at everything. And then no trades until the end of the year. So that was pretty much it. So as we pull this up, you can see here that the dates that we tested it, what we tested, the settings. So I kept it on the 12, 26, and 9. You can see here, pull it up. Oh, all the way on there. Oh, it doesn't want to pull up. There we go. The 12, 26. So you can see that's how I kept it. Alright, so the performance, we had 5 wins, 9 losses total. Total trades were 14 and a 35% win rate. That was not good. Even as you look at some of these runs, like that original big win right there, I mean, you would just be breaking even on this. So this is just something to look at, and let's see if we can find some better indicators. Alright, so again, this is Forex indicator reviews. Subscribe, like, hit the alerts. I'll try to get out as much videos and make these as fast as possible. Don't worry too much about the Patreon. That's just if you guys want me to test out an indicator, or I also test out and do reviews of softwares, EAs, expert advisors, robots. Just basically they trade for you no matter what, very small amount of effort. If it costs money and you want me to test it out, this already takes some time to do. I'm really focused on the free ones to help the ones that are just getting started out trading. But if there's certain indicators, you can purchase it and send it to me, or you can send me the money and I'll purchase it and make sure I get it to you as a review. Other than that, I appreciate it, guys. Take it easy, have a good day, and later.